Okay, you guys, hello and welcome to the Flip It lesson. Today we're going to work on front end estimation. So I'm not sure if you guys know that, but I just want us to quickly look at that table, look at that example. And it says the teams here: the Calgary Flames, the Edmonton Oilers, Montreal Canadiens, Ottawa Senators, the Maple Leafs, and the Canucks. And you know what? Mr. Skelton's not a big Flames fan, so we're going to change that to a better team: Mr. Skelton's Jets. So I just want you to take a quick look at this chart. I'm going to give you about 4 seconds here. Okay, so what you guys should have noticed is that this column right here is the amount of seats. So we're going to assume, or I'm going to tell you, that these are the buildings that these hockey teams play out of. So when we look at these, what I need us to know is just kind of think about it. We're going to explore, and we're going to say, okay, there's 20,140 seats in the Winnipeg Jets Arena, the MTS Center. 17,100 at Rexall Place, and so on and so forth. So we're going to go through here. Why not pretend that the games were sold out in both Vancouver and Winnipeg? About how many people attended these two games? So Vancouver's got 18,630, Winnipeg 20,140. So if we were to say something like that, if we were to estimate, we were going to use front-end estimation this time. So to use front-end estimation, we would pick the very first digit in the number, the lead one in the highest place value area, and we're going to use that. So here's 18,000, so that would be 10,000, and we're going to use that. And we see that there's that, which would be 20,140, but because we're front-end estimating, we are going to say this. So 10,000 plus 20,000 equals 30,000. So it could be said roughly 30,000 people went to both Vancouver and Winnipeg's hockey games. So there, that just kind of gives you a brief introduction to what exactly front-end rounding is. Again, we're just going to quickly look, and what it says is here you use the front-end digit. So the very first digit you see in a number, right, that highlighted one there, you're going to do that. So this is what we're going to work on today. I'm just going to quickly go through. So that's how I want you to answer it as well. So you can see that you've taken your front-end estimation on both. You've come up with your approximate value, and I say approximate because we are estimating. We are taking just the about figure. It's not exact. And then you can see here that we have a few more questions. So what you guys are going to be doing today once you are done is I want you to finish these questions that I have for you. You will see that I have these sheets just kind of out and about in the classroom. They're just at the back on Mr. Pavley's desk. So make sure you grab these once you're done listening to me here, and thanks for tuning in to our Flip It lesson.